I have question, guys. We all know the word light, don't we? That's not the question. The question is, how many opposites does it have? That's the question. Does it have 5, 6, or 7 more or less opposites? Would you like to know? There you are. Stay tuned and we will know how many and what they are. Hello and welcome back to EngVibes. In today's lesson, we will see some opposites of the word light. First, light as a noun. The opposite of light is dark. This is when the word is a noun. When it's an adjective, the opposite is, can you say it? Yes, I heard you. It's heavy. Very good. Something light, it's the opposite of something heavy when we talk about the weight. Number 2, light rain. The opposite is heavy rain. Very good. Number 3, light wind. Do we say heavy wind? Yeah, it can be, but the best one is strong. Strong wind. 4, light music. Heavy music. Strong music. Loud music. Very good. 5, light bag. Here we are talking about the weight, so the opposite is heavy. This bag is heavy. 6, light color. Is it heavy color? Strong? No, it's dark color. Well done. Next one, number 7, light touch. Is it dark touch, heavy touch, strong touch? No, it's something new. It's firm touch. Firm touch. Number 8, light fabric. Dark fabric, heavy fabric? No, it's thick fabric. Light mood. When you have a bad mood, it's not thick mood, it's not firm, it's very good, serious mood. Number 10, light climate. Light climate, the opposite is not serious climate, not thick, not strong, however, harsh. Harsh climate. Light reading, it's not harsh reading, it's not serious reading, it's dense reading. Light flavor. Dense flavor, no. Harsh flavor, no. Serious flavor, no. It's bold flavor. And the last one, light sleep. I think you know this. Yes, just say it. It starts with D. Deep sleep. Well done. So tell me, how many have you got right? Let's check them again. Light can be heavy, can be dark. Light rain, we say heavy rain. Light wind, we say strong wind. Light music, we say loud music. Light bag, heavy bag. Light color, dark color. Light touch, firm touch. Light fabric, thick fabric. Light mood, serious mood. Don't be serious. Light climate, harsh climate. Light reading, dense reading. Light flavor, bold flavor, spicy or something. Light sleep, deep sleep. And that's it for today. Tell me in the comment section how many did you know. Okay? So if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe if you're new. If you have any questions or any concern, please leave them in the comment section below and we will get back to you very soon. Here we have 13 opposites to the word light. Share with us your experience. Tell us how many other words you know and what they are. So till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. Take good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye bye.